Manage all your campaigns from the campaign creation page. Create and send SMS campaigns in just 4 simple steps. To create a new SMS campaign, click on the Create Campaign button and fill the intuitive form. The first step is to set the parameters. By default, the campaign name will be generated on the current timestamp. You can also change this as per your need. The campaign category is for you to group the campaigns. You can also add a custom category, for example, marketing or lead generation. Sender ID. Approved sender IDs will be displayed here. Using the sender ID, you can send campaigns. Campaign type. A common campaign will trigger the same text for all the subscribers, while a personalized campaign will send a unique and personalized text to each subscriber. Let's select the common campaign type first. Now come to step 2. Here you need to upload the contacts. Click on the Import Contact button. Here you get 4 options to upload the contacts. You can upload the contact file in these predefined formats or choose an existing file. You can also select an already made list or can enter the mobile number manually separated by comma. Check this box if you want to remove the duplicate contacts from your list. Let's try the personalized campaign type. When you change the campaign type, it gives a warning message that is changing the campaign type will reset the entire campaign page. Please check and confirm the message. Here you can personalize the SMS text by selecting a particular column. Click on the Import Contact button. There are only 3 options to upload the contacts. You can either upload the contacts in the accepted formats or choose from an already uploaded file. The next option is that you can select from an already made list. Click on the Import button. Again, check the box if you want to remove the duplicate contacts from your list. Now come to step 3. Here you are required to choose the message. Select a template you must have already created. If not, go to the content section to create a template. Let's choose from an already created templates. Right-click on the variables to personalize them with text and columns of the sheet you just uploaded. Here you can select the column and the personalized text that can go with it and hit the Save button. The preview of the same will be available here. Right-click on the variables again to shorten the link. Click on the Add Link button. You can shorten the URL in the text to save SMS characters. You can also set the validity of the URL. Personalize the URL with either name or the number. Add the domain. And click on the Insert button. Let's try the other way to shorten the link. So you can either enter the links manually or fetch the URL from a column from the sheet. You can also set the validity and click on the insert button. One optional step is to test your campaigns. You can add up to 10 mobile numbers for testing the campaigns. The numbers will again be separated by comma, and then click on the Test Now button to test the campaigns. The final step is to either execute the campaign directly or schedule it for the future dates. To schedule the campaigns, click on the Schedule slider. Select the date, time, and the time zone at which the campaign needs to be triggered. Let's select a particular time. And click on the Schedule button. As you can see here, the campaign summary with type of the campaign, the currency deduction estimation, uploaded contact details, scheduling details, and more are available here. Click on the Schedule button. As you can see here, the campaign has been successfully updated. All the campaigns that are created are listed here. You can also filter the search result by category, creation time, and created by. You can manage the filter result or edit the scheduled campaigns by clicking on this clock icon. Here you can edit the campaign name, category, date and time, and the time zone, and update it.